Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Kumar Singh. I have completed my engineering in mechanical branch from Bihar Institute of Technology, Sindri, and this is my online course on engineering mechanics. In this my course, I will try to be as practical as possible and share with you my working experience. So let us start brief explanation about engineering mechanics course. So All India Council for Technical Education's model curriculum for diploma courses in engineering and technology. So this is first year semester 2 engineering mechanics, so common for all branches: civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, production engineering, computer engineering, chemical engineering, electronic and communication engineering, mechatronics engineering. So curriculum structure is your serial number 1 is category of course is engineering science, course code number ES106, course title is engineering mechanics, and hours per week L 2 hour, T 1 hour, P 0. The meaning of the L is your lecture, T for the tutorial, and P for the practical. Total contact hour per week 3 hours. So total credit is your 3. So evaluation scheme suggestive only. For theory courses, the weightage of internal assessment is 40% and the end semester exam is 60%. The student has to obtain at least 40% mark individually both in internal assessment and end semester exam to pass. So course objectives: following are the objectives of this course: to obtain resultant of various forces, to calculate support reaction through conditions of equilibrium for various structures, to understand role of friction in equilibrium problems, to know fundamental laws of machines and their application to various engineering problems. The course contents of the engineering mechanics is the unit number 1, basic of mechanics and force systems. Inside of the basic of mechanics and force system, you have to learn in the side of your significant and relevant applied mechanics, statics, dynamics, space, time, mass, particle, flexible body and rigid body, a scalar and vector quantity, units of measurement, SI units, fundamental unit and derived units, force units, representation as a vector and by wise notation, characteristic and effect of a force, principle of transmissibility of force, force system and its classifications, resolution of a force, orthogonal components of a force, moment of a force, Vergonian theorem, composition of force, resultant, analytical method for determination of resultant for concurrent, non-concurrent and parallel coplanar force systems, law of triangles, parallelogram and polygon of forces. In unit 2, equilibrium, so equilibrium and equilibrium, free body and free body diagram, analytical and graphical method of analyzing equilibrium, Lami's theorems, a statement and explanation, application for various engineering problems, type of beam, support, single, hinged, rolled and fixed, and load acting on beam, vertical and inclined point load, uniformly distributed load, couple. So unit 3 is your friction. So friction and its relevance in engineering, types and law of friction, limiting equilibrium, limiting friction, coefficient of friction, angle of refuge, relations between coefficient of friction and angle of friction, equilibrium of body on level surface subjected to force parallel and inclined to plane, equilibrium of bodies on inclined plane subjected to force parallel to the plane only. In the unit number 4, centroid and center of gravity. Centroid of geometrical plane figure, a square, rectangle, triangle, circle, semicircle, quarter, circle. Centroid of composite figure composed of not more than 3 geometrical figures. Center of gravity of simple solid, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, a sphere, hemisphere. Center of gravity of composite solid composed of not more than 2 simple solids. Unit number 5 is your simple lifting machines. So simple lifting machines, load effort, mechanical advantage, applications and advantages, velocity ratio, efficiency of machines, law of machines, ideal machine, friction in machine, maximum mechanical advantage and efficiency, reversible and non-reversible machine, conditions of reversibility, velocity ratio of simple axle and wheel, differential axle and wheel, worm and worm wheel, single purchase and double purchase cab wrench, simple screw jack, western difference pulley block, geared pulley block. And the suggested learning resources is your DM Bedi Engineering Mechanics, Khanna Publications, New Delhi, RX Kurmi Applied Mechanics, S. Chance and Co. New Delhi, R.K. Bansal, a textbook of engineering mechanics, Lakshmi Publications, Ramanutham, Engineering Mechanics, S. Chance, and so all. The course outcomes are, after completion these courses, a student will be able to identify the first system for given conditions by applying the basics of mechanics, determine unknown forces of different engineering systems, apply the principles of friction in various conditions and useful purposes, find the centroid and center of gravity of various components in engineering system, select the relevant simple lifting machines for giving purposes. So this course is for diploma students in engineering and technology and common for all branches. So I go through from the very beginning, from first opening the contagious engineering mechanics. So make sure you check out the curriculum and preview those online lectures. This was a brief description of what this course is about and who may find it interesting. So next session I will talk about Unit 1 Basics of Mechanics and Force Systems. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.